3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating a physical object by building it layer by layer using a digital model. This technology is revolutionizing the way we design and manufacture products and has the potential to change the way we live and work. In this video, we'll explore the world of 3D printing, how it works, and some of the most exciting and useful applications of this technology in a wide range of fields and industries. What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating a physical object by building it layer by layer using a digital model. 3D printing technology can be used to create a wide range of objects, from simple prototypes to complex, end-use parts, in a wide range of materials such as plastic, metal, and even food. Applications of 3D printing. 3D printing is being used in a wide range of industries and applications, from prototyping and product design to healthcare and aerospace. In product design and prototyping, 3D printing allows for faster and more cost-effective product development, with the ability to quickly create and test different designs. In healthcare, 3D printing is used to create customized prosthetics and implants, as well as to create models for surgical planning. In aerospace, 3D printing is used to create complex parts and structures for aircraft and space vehicles, which can save time and reduce costs. How to get started with 3D printing. If you're interested in incorporating 3D printing into your work or personal projects, there are many options available. There are many 3D printing services available online, which can print your designs for a fee, or you can purchase a 3D printer for your own use. Additionally, there are many software programs available, such as Autodesk Fusion 360 and Tinkercad, that can be used to create and edit digital models for 3D printing. For those who want to specialize in 3D printing, there are plenty of universities and colleges that offer degree programs in this field. Challenges of 3D printing. While 3D printing has many exciting applications, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is the high cost of 3D printers and the materials used in 3D printing. Additionally, 3D printing technology is still in its infancy, and there are limitations in terms of the materials that can be used and the complexity of the designs that can be printed. But with continued research and development, these challenges will be addressed and 3D printing technology will become more accessible and versatile. Conclusion. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating a physical object by building it layer by layer using a digital model. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we design and manufacture products and has many exciting applications in a wide range of fields and industries. Whether you're an engineer, designer, or hobbyist, there are many ways to incorporate 3D printing into your work or personal projects. With continued research and development, 3D printing technology will become more accessible and versatile, and the possibilities will be endless.